Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is another braiding edition, and we are going to be getting a crochet style. This style is quick, fast, and perfect for the winter months. So let's get into it. You want to make sure that the hair is washed, prepped, and ready to be braided. Because her hair is natural, I usually go in by using my fingers to section out the part that I need, and then I clean it up with the rat tail or pigtail comb. Yes. So we're just going to do all back cornrows, which we all know how to do at this point. But you let me know if you guys need a tutorial on doing an all back cornrow. So once you get the section of the hair that you need to braid, you comb it out and then begin the braiding process. As I always say, when it comes to crochet, the braids do not have to be perfect, right? The goal is just to make sure that at least your partings are very clean. I am also very mindful of the edges. So guys, stay off the edges. It's better for you to use edge control than for you to try to grab all the hairs on your edges and end up losing your edges. The cornrow style that I am doing is the basic one, all back and probably like a circle in the back, just so that way she'll be able to pull her hair up in a ponytail without it being obvious that it is crochet. If you guys notice, my braids are a bit bulky, and this is because the twist that we're going to crocheting today is actually bulky itself. So the size of your cornrows depends on the actual hair that you'll be crocheting in. In this case, it doesn't matter if anywhere is looking really bulky or not, because the hair itself is bulky. Next, I am going to go in with my oils. This is very important because I needed to massage her scalp with castor oil and peppermint oil. Massaging your scalp actually increases blood circulation, and we know where blood flows, hair grows. So this is very important. Then finally, I go in with my peppermint oil. This is one of my favorite oils, especially hers, because it soothes the scalp. But if you're not a fan of any of these oils, make sure to use the oils that work best for you. So after we're done, we are now going to start the installing process. So all you need is a crochet hook. As you guys can see, you put the crochet hook through, you put the hair, you close the hook, you open up the loop, and you put the hair through and pull. Also take note that I am not all the way to her edges. I am doing it just at the right place because again, we do not want to create tension around the edges. As I said earlier in the video, this process is actually very fast. It could take you an hour tops and you'll be done. Why? Because the hair is already pre-looped. So we're going to do the process one more time to show you. I open up the hair, put my crochet hook through the hair, pull, open up the hook, then I'm going to put this and close, then pull. Sometimes I feel like explaining is way more confusing, so you guys just watch and see how it goes. I used a total of 4 packs. Again, the hair is very full on its own, and you do not want way too much on your head. So I'm going to do one more for you guys to see, but slowly. This hairstyle could last you up to a month, depending on how well you take good care of it. If you do not take good care of it, that means that the hair will not be able to last for a month. But if you take good care of it, you should be able to carry it for at least 1 month. With this style as well, you can also choose to untwist the hair to give it that fuller look as well. But this brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know what you think of this style, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.